Hi, this is Pam with PS I Love You Crafts, and I have a Valentine's Day mug to share with you, but it's going to be in gold, silver, and bronze, and black, so it doesn't necessarily have to be for Valentine's Day. And I'm going to do a heart shape, but you could do a star or just a plain circle or something different. So first, take a heart sticker. I cut this heart sticker out using my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you can just get any kind of a heart sticker from the craft store. And you want to center it on your mug, and it's okay if it has bubbles in it, it's not going to hurt a thing. Okay, and press it down, and I'm going to start with the silver. Okay, and I'm just going to draw lines. You can see I'm not being real particular about these. Okay, and once you get all the way around, then you're going to go back and you're going to fill in. They don't have to be the same length. They don't have to be the same distance apart. This is super easy. This is a great project the kids can help you with. Switch colors. This is bronze. And gold. And when you're finished, you're going to peel the sticker off. And you have a perfect heart. And you want to put this in a cold oven and then turn the oven on 250 degrees and bake it for 2 hours. Then turn the oven off and let the oven cool. And then when the mug is completely cool, you can take it out. If you put it in a hot oven, the mug will crack, and if you take it out before it's cool, it will crack. So you need to do that in order to set the markers. So I hope that you like this video. I hope you'll give this a try, and please give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching.